I don't know. Should I do that one intro? Hey, YouTube, this is Doug Wallman. I don't know if I should do that. Well, I just kind of did it. But it's only a short video. At least I'll try to make it short and snappy. So I think it was maybe roughly 7, 8 months ago, somewhere in there. I'm not sure how long ago. I got a polka dot plant. It's from Fargo, North Dakota, and I killed it. Someone at one point had recommended that I prune it back and clip some leaves, and I refused to do it. Like, nope. And then I think I overwatered it or didn't water it regularly enough. And then at some point, I think it was making a comeback, but at probably the most inopportune time, I decided, okay, I'm going to go ahead and clip some of the leaves now. I think that was bad timing. I'm not sure if it would have survived anyway, but maybe I'll include a picture of what that looked like. But what I did is I ordered one in the mail from Amazon, actually. And I have to go get my utility knife to open this up. All right, I'm back with the utility knife. Probably want a closer angle too, I suppose. Yeah, we'll do that too. God. All right, moment of truth. I'll put the link in the description box where I got this from. It's from Amazon, but hope you're happy with your order. Oh, if you're not happy with your order, we'd love to make it up to you. And I'll put that note aside. And there's some congratulations on your new leafy friends. Help them thrive with Gray Gap. Some care information. As far as I know, I think I'm just gonna, I don't know. Yeah. Better clean this up. It's right next to my MacBook. That looks pretty good. Looks so good it almost looks fake. That's not the kind of polka dot plant I had before. Mine was a lot smaller and brighter, but this is like a multicolored one. So I guess we'll give it a try. I'll see what it says, but I don't think you're supposed to like repot. I will eventually, but here's another pot for me to try if I want when it's time. Probably, I've heard anything from like, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks to like 6 months or longer. It doesn't look bad in there, but that's the pot it came in. I guess it depends on if I can just push up on this thing and get it in there. But for right now, I think we'll leave it as is. That's what it looks like. Maybe I'll get a different camera angle here. All right. So that's that. I'll see if I want to download this app, Grow Happy Plants. Congratulations on your new leafy friends. Help them thrive with the Greg app. Like it'll say stuff like your plant is thirsty. Water 1/2 cup on Saturday. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. I'll be sure to water it and stuff, but first I think I am gonna do a little more research. What should I do? I'm pretty sure I should, but I'll do all that off camera. It arrived alive. Actually, that's really nothing like what I had. It is sort of, but it's got bigger leaves and stuff. Maybe it's just a bigger version of the same thing. I know there's probably different species or subspecies or whatever. And still not done. I think this is a little better angle. The aperture is not so freaking tight as in the previous shot I had of this. I did decide to water this bottom up. I don't know. I actually just put it in my bathtub for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. I'm not sure if that's enough, but I'll probably need some fertilizing at some point. But again, thanks for watching.